Unraveling the mystery of tide race. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of English phrases and explore the meaning of tide race. Have you ever heard of it? Well, by the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning, but you'll also know how to use it in sentences. First, let's break down the phrase. The word tide refers to the alternate rising and falling of the sea, usually twice in each lunar day at a particular place, due to the attraction of the moon and sun. It's that movement of water you might notice if you spend a day at the beach. In the morning, the water might be far from your picnic spot, and by the afternoon, it might be much closer. Now, the word race, in this context, doesn't mean a competition of speed, like in a foot race or car race. Instead, it refers to a strong, fast-moving current of water, often caused by tidal action in a narrow space. This can be a channel, river, or strait. When we combine these two concepts, we get the phrase tide race. This phrase specifically refers to a turbulent water flow caused by the meeting of two tidal currents or by a tidal current crossing a shallow area. If you've ever seen water flowing rapidly through a narrow area during changes in tide, that's a tide race. Sailors and boaters pay special attention to tide races because they can be challenging to navigate. Now that you understand the term, here are a couple of example sentences. 1. The sailor warned his crew to be careful while crossing the tide race. 2. The turbulent waters of the tide race can be mesmerizing to watch from the shore. And there we have it. The next time you hear the term tide race, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Thanks for joining us in this exploration of English phrases. We hope this video has been illuminating. And remember, every day is a chance to learn something new. Happy learning!